Okay. Okay, so welcome everybody. Today I'm going to explain how to do the practical project. So basically you cannot right now turn your sound and you cannot turn out your video. And yes, so basically today we're gonna cover such project, which is more about understanding how we can refresh our knowledge at HTML. So basically we covered all the thing, which is like elements, how to comment elements, how to like write hello worlds, how to add images, how to make anchor elements, order list, text field, form elements, submit button, and all stuff. And right now I just wanted to do some project, and yeah, we can start with it. It's basically this project we should do for HTML project, and right now I'm going to explain about some stuff on this. And we have our friend Isa, he's fashion blogger, and we are asked to build a new website just in time for New York Fashion Week. Okay, so and this is like what should look like, I mean, nearly, but it's not mandatory. And right now I'm going to understand how we can do this one. Okay, so basically I will try to, the first stuff is write down this doc type HTML element, yeah, to the first file. We can see it, and yes. So how it look like? Okay, so basically we should include both opening and closing tag for HTML, and we should add some HTML files below it. Okay, so how we do this? We look to our cheat sheet if you want. Let me just cover some cheat sheet here. Like I have, let's say, cheat sheet here, and yeah, so this is like you'll be useful for you. And how we can open an HTML element. So basically we go here and look how our HTML element can be done. Different body elements. Yes, so, and we will use it in our code, okay? So basically I will start writing this one, and yeah, so right now I did some code here. So basically, yeah, this is how will look like. And yeah, so if you don't know, you can get hit, and below HTML element we want to add some head element. If you want to Google how we can add head element, this is done like simple as this one. Okay, so basically I'm just going to add this head element here, and yeah, so, and below the head element I should add some body element. Okay, so I'm doing the same stuff here, but I will just go and rename all the stuff. Okay, so I add head element and body element. Okay, so within the head element I want to add some title. Okay, so to check up how we did the title, we can also nest inside it. And let me just Google here what does mean like title element. Okay, title element done as simple like as head, and I just simply integrate it into my code. Okay, so I can cool. So within this head I integrated this one, and right now I just want to, below opening tag body, I want to add some h1 element. And I will just copy paste this text. Okay, Yeah, so what we do next between H1 and H2, I should add a paragraph tag. So I will add here like some paragraph tag with some beautiful text inside it. Okay, so yeah, this looks like same. Okay, so now you see, and I can just save it. And yeah, so we have like heading element, we have two heading element, yes, subheading, and the text paragraph explaining this one. And between the first and second H2, I just want to add okay, so I have like two elements, two H2 and first H2 and second H2. And between of them, I should add same text. And yeah. And after H2 element, I should add final paragraph called like, yeah, same paragraph. Nice. And of course, this cannot be with some image. And we can see that we have nice heading, we have two subheading, and we have paragraph inside it, okay? And what we want to do next, I just want to add above each paragraph, I want to add some image element with this one, okay? How can I do with image element? So basically, I just Google through image element, and this is done like by simple this one, okay? And right now, I just want to quickly start with this one, project block, and I should add to be like above each paragraph. So above each, I mean, it should be located here, okay? Yeah. So this is simple. Like I can just copy paste this snippet of this code and yeah, check. Yeah, so by this way, I just want to see how can I improve my text. So sorry. So yeah, I just save it and you can see this beautiful image, okay, inside it. And I will try to make same stuff about this last paragraph, okay? So yeah, I will quickly just write myself, okay? So CRC is equal to yeah, so and we have last element. You see, like we already did this, and we should add some unordered list and contacts. Okay, so we have body tag, and below body tag, we should create an image element with this following source. Okay, so I just quickly want to add same element. Okay, so right now, how she's look like, but is it should be like below opening. Okay, so below opening tag. So this text should be not, and after should be basically below body tag. So yeah, and it should be here. Okay, so cool, nice. And I just click it, and this beautiful lady appears on this position of our HTML site. Okay, and below the image element, I want to add an H3 tag that says by Isabella Rodriguez. Okay, so here I'm adding this one element. Okay, nice. So show cool. Okay, so what next? Isa wants to her readers to know she's written a lot more than one post, and like beneath last paragraph, we want to show. Okay, after last paragraph, we should add some h4 tag element. And we should add some unordered list. In order to build an order list, we can also like Google it if you want, but also we can see how basically it's done. Okay, and you can just go and paste this code inside your project. Okay. Okay, so this is cool, and let's see how it look like. Okay. And what's next? What we should do? Next element. Okay, so basically, yeah. So there are some answers. Okay, so cool. And I just want to make sure that I just want to add this one elements and help you with this one. Okay. And right now I have some few project which can I complete. And here I can see that I should integrate in first paragraph this element, and yeah, how we can integrate all this one. So there are some stuff here, and yeah, I can actually, if I stuck, I can just ask for help. And right now I just looking for this text. I can write something here. Yeah, so So yeah. So right now it works well, and I will just add some target here /blank. Okay. Cool. So when I click it, it opens a new window. Okay. So this is why it's helpful. So yeah, let's do last part, which is left and which is like one of the fruitful parts. So I will create some div elements. And right now inside this div element, I just want to create some strong element. Okay. So what does like this strong element means? Strong element means that it's like highlights an important urgent text in browsers, which will render in bold. Okay. And right now I should understand that that I should have strong element tag around this element. Okay. Yeah, I will just around email, around phone. Yeah, so cool. And I completed this one, and I just have two elements. And I just want to make here like find the profile image tag and surrounded by closing tag section of web page. Okay, so basically it should has something like this one. Okay, so I just want to find some image tag, and yeah, it's basically here, and I should surround it by opening and close tag. So how this is done, like cool. So basically I just save this code. Yeah, so this is how look like my code, and I just want to go and open my studio. Cool. So right now it works. And thank you.